Hello everyone. Hope you are doing fine. This is Manju Girdhar, your science teacher. April 22 marks the 51st anniversary of the Earth Day. While the extraordinary situation of COVID-19 prevails in the country, we can demonstrate support for our planet and safeguard it while being at home. Taking in consideration this year's theme, Restore Our Earth, we can plant saplings in our yard and cook plant based meals to say least. Today, when lakhs of people are dying because of scarcity of oxygen, we can restore our mother earth by planting natural oxygen cylinder so that we distill the place so pure and breathe like we have never breathed before.
A very good morning to the principal, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Bhavika Vats from class 9th A. Today I would like to speak a few words about Earth Day. Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd April every year all over the world. The day is headed by American Senator Glarard Nelson. Glarard Nelson, first of all, drew America's attention to the environmental side effects caused by American industrial development. For this, he organized American society, provided a platform for protest and public movements.
I will tell you about Earth Day, that is on 22 April every year. Earth does not belong to us, we belong to the earth. People around Earth celebrate it. Earth Day is celebrated to acknowledge climate change and spread awareness about the same all around the world. We must better care for Earth.
Good evening, respected principal, teachers, and my dear students. Saving the Mother Earth for speech and discuss. Save Earth, Save Life. Earth is celebrated every year on 22 April. Earth Day was started by Senator Nelson. It was first celebrated in 1970 and now includes events in more than 193 countries. On this day, various events are organized to make people aware how to protect our Mother Earth. Earth is our planet, it is our home, and therefore, it's our responsibility to protect it. Due to our darkness, today we face serious issues like pollution, global warming, etc. Hence, it has become very important that we constantly make efforts to save our earth. If we do not take care of earth, today it will be too late and the damage will be, ice will be so on the earth till it to be the change and the saw our planet goes not nowhere. So please save life, save earth.
Morning teachers and my dear friends, today I am gonna tell you 10 lines about Save Earth. Save Earth is a proverb that awakes people to protect Earth from extinction. Earth is the only planet where we have life. This planet has been born for people and other living beings that have all the amenities needed usually. Everything, most importantly, air and food, water are provided here on Earth. We are misusing our Earth for many years by employing its sources